Stacey, I can't meditate because my mind is too busy. Sound familiar? I hear this so often, and I'll tell you, I used to share the same belief. I love thinking, I love contemplating things. I can't quiet my mind. And I was introduced to this idea that meditation is not necessarily about clearing your mind. One of the benefits of meditation is to actually notice the busyness of your mind. Imagine staying still and staying in silence. And in the beginning, it might be 30 seconds, it might be a minute, and you're sitting in silence. And now you actually notice how busy your mind is. You're thinking about what's for dinner. You're thinking about what color you're going to paint your bedroom. You're wondering about what time you have to pick the kids up. You're in a million different places, but now all of a sudden you've sat still and you're noticing how busy your mind is. Your mind was that busy anyways, and it was going a mile a minute. You just hadn't taken the time to notice it. And so this brings us into greater awareness of what's actually happening in our minds. And if we're not careful, our minds are controlling us, our thoughts are controlling us rather than us controlling our thoughts. So the power of meditation is sitting still, sitting in stillness, and you may prefer a guided meditation or just a silent meditation. I think it's powerful to learn how to sit in silence. But you sit in silence and you set the timer just for 2 minutes. And in that 2 minutes, as you sit down and you take a few breaths, and you're noticing your breath, I'm inhaling in, I'm exhaling out, I'm inhaling in, I'm exhaling. Oh, what's for dinner tonight? I've got to go pick that up. Oh, I can't forget this. And pretty soon your mind goes off. And the moment you notice, oh, my mind got busy, we don't judge those thoughts. We don't make those thoughts wrong. We just notice them and come back. Now I'm breathing in. Now I'm breathing out. Now I'm breathing in. Now I'm breathing, oh, I have to remember to do this and go here, and there go our minds again. And they absolutely will want to try to take us all over the place. And the moment we notice, off we go again. We take a breath. I'm breathing in, I'm breathing out. And the goal here is to become more aware of those thoughts and to increase this muscle in our ability to interrupt that thought and to come back to stillness. And when we make a practice of this in meditation, sitting in stillness for a few moments during the day, the more that you're able to still your mind, the more you're able to control those thoughts, it will make it easier to do. If you can imagine, you're building that muscle so that when you are in the busyness of your day, you're able to control that thinking. You're able to control your mind. You're able to come back to your center, to that grounded place, so that your thoughts are not controlling your life. You are controlling your thoughts and therefore creating the results that you want to create. If you have a busy mind and you think that that is why you can't meditate, that's exactly why I encourage you to experiment with a meditation practice. You will feel more grounded. You will feel less stressed out. It will relax your nervous system. You'll sleep better. You'll be able to control your emotions more throughout the day. There are countless benefits to meditation, but it's a willingness to be quiet with ourselves and our thoughts, not to be in judgment, but just for the purpose of that growth. I have recorded a guided meditation. It's just 5 minutes, and it's a free resource for you if you wanted to download that and use that as a practice to start building this awareness of your thoughts, bringing yourself back to center so that you feel more calm, more relaxed, and that you truly can live a life you love.